My name is RC. I'm a radiologic technologist by profession and recently passed the Certified Professional Coder from AAPC in American qualification. I work here in Safeway as a clinical instructor. I have 7 years hospital and clinical experience in the Philippines and 13 years in experience in academia. Nursing assistant and caregiving course typically provides training for individuals interested in pursuing careers in the healthcare field as a nursing assistant or caregivers. So these courses offer instruction and practical experience in providing patient care and support under the supervision of licensed healthcare professionals. If you finish this course, you can work as a nursing assistant or caregiver in any healthcare facilities here and abroad, such as UK, Canada, and even in America. Here in Safeway, we will equip and enhance your knowledge and skill holistically in theory and practically. We will be providing you the best and high-quality educations that you deserve. I'm inviting every one of you to be part of Safeway Healthcare family. So come, learn, and grow with us. See ya!